So, dami nagtatanong sa atin guys, paano ba talaga mag-live selling guys ng tama dito sa Pilipinas? Paano ba tayo makakabenta guys ng malaki guys pag nagbebenta tayo online? At ano ba yung future guys ng e-commerce dito sa Pilipinas? So, sa mga hindi pa sa atin nakakilala, I'm James Afante, also known as Kuya James Outside. We're the current #1 TikTok shop and Shopee Live creator here in the Philippines with more than ₱1 billion gross sales for the past 2 years. Meron ako na-discover na bagong opportunity guys right now. Actually, in-upload ko na to sa YouTube. Tinawag ko pa itong new method on how to earn in YouTube this 2025 to 2026. So tama ang narinig mo guys, this is about YouTube guys. So meron na pong affiliate program actually in YouTube guys na nilabas actually. And bagong-bago pa tong method na to. So kung sakaling mauuna ka guys sa method na to guys, you have a very high chances of winning actually sa platform to guys compared sa mga ibang platforms na medyo oversaturated na. Plus guys, pwede ka pa guys makakuha ng 20,000 pesos signing bonus just in case na nag-i-start ka pa lang at wala ka pang punan as long as papanoorin mo yung video na yun right now at mag-register ka na right now. So sayang din yung 20,000 pesos na yun. And alam mo ba, according to data that YouTube is still the #1 platform in terms of watch views and watch hours across the Southeast Asia. Mas marami pa rin tao nag-spend ng time on YouTube aside from TikTok, Facebook, and whatsoever. So, ano pa inaantay ninyo? Panoorin nyo yung video na guys, and baka sakali, ito na yung big break na inaantay mo, ito na yung sign na inaantay mo guys para magsimula sa mundo ng content creation. Panoorin mo na yan. See you there. Peace out. Bye-bye.